So you might be trying to figure out how you can use saved audio inside of Instagram. Now, luckily for you, this is a pretty basic process and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and hop inside of your Instagram application and you want to go and find a sound that you want to go and save. So in this case, I just went through Kim Kardashian's profile, just found some random video. So if you want to click on the sound, you can click on the sound at the bottom and just click here, and then you can save the sound by just tapping onto that bookmark option, and you should be able to save the sound that way. If there's a use audio option, you can also just tap on the use audio, then you can jump into using the audio this way. So save the audio, whichever way you want to, and then whenever you're ready, you can then make your way over to your profile page, and then you can go and swipe to the side to basically get into your story panel. So now what you can do is you can go and just make a story as you normally would. So just go and do whatever you want to do. Now, if you want to use your saved audio that you just had, what you can always do is you can tap into your music icon, the second icon from the very top, you can tap on music, and this page is going to come up. Now, what you're going to want to do is this saved button that's right here, which says saved right there. All you want to do is go and tap on saved, and then whatever saved music or sounds or whatever you had will basically show up right here. Now, I guess I didn't save that earlier one. But whatever songs that you saved, any music that you saved, any audio at all that you saved within Instagram should show up right here, at least the music. And then from here, you can go and add those songs or whatever by tapping on it. And you can kind of configure whatever part of the song that you want to go and actually, add in. And then whenever you're ready, you can go and click done. And that's basically it. The song should be added within this particular, story. And that's really it. Then you can always go back in here. You can always edit. You can always change it, whatever you want to do. But that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.